He's pretty slow today. Our leader for today. Yo, what's going on here today? Come on, activate this thing again. It's 4037. Come on. Come on, barrel crossing. Activate. 4037 is coming. He's right there. The crossing just stopped activating for no reason. Guys, I cannot believe that the railroad crossing just stopped activating. The train was barely coming when the train crossing was about to activate. Until I was showing the Union Pacific to the camera, the railroad crossing was about to stop activating for no reason. But then, when I was getting closer, they decided to activate again. This railroad crossing just decided to prank us for no reason. He blew his horn because he saw that the railroad crossing stopped activating. He's trying to tell the railroad crossing to be activated. That was cool. And it was going really slow as hell. And it was 4037 responding. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Have an amazing Tuesday.